So the question is, in negotiating a parenting plan, should you push for sole medical decision-making, or just insert anything, sole education, therapeutic, extracurricular, medical, I mean, the things that come to my mind are those are the big four. And should you push for that? Well, you tell me. I mean, what are the communications like? If you're historically with somebody that is dominating or domineering, right? And they don't respect your opinion, they don't value your opinion. Okay, so maybe that's why you're getting a divorce, right? But it still comes down to the fact that you both should be able to together communicate about your child, right? And if you can't do that, and you know that, and even if you want to get this thing done now, and it's just easier to do joint decision making, I'm telling you, I tell this to people all the time, like, you didn't use lawyers the first time, and now you're back, and it's like you're redoing everything anyway, right? So if you feel strongly in your gut that you are best equipped to make decisions for your child, and that the other party is incapable, really, of co-parenting, then you move forward with that, is my advice. But that's really your call. And a lot of times people don't realize that they too have weaknesses. So if it's the other party isn't doing something and they're terrible, like, I'm pretty sure that they're going to say the same thing about you, right? So be smart. And that's why you want to get good counsel, because it's, you've got to be able to receive negative feedback about your case. And if you're able to do that and you understand the risks, then a lot of times, if you can't make decisions together, then you should be seeking sole decision making, or asking the court to award sole decision making. But if there's still a glimmer of hope, I would certainly suggest that you just give some one last efforts of trying to agree, and even put it in a parenting plan. There's nothing that says you can't negotiate the parameters of a parenting plan, and when you have a disagreement, if this, then this, then this. If we agree to disagree, and it's about something that is relevant, then how about a parenting coordinator decision maker? Like, there are ways to keep this out of the court and stagnant, but at the same time, it's, you're still giving authority and control of your parental rights to a third party. So be smart and listen to your gut and your instincts. And if you're negotiating a parenting plan and you know that this thing is going to be a dumpster fire as soon as this is signed, then don't have these early quitting points, is my suggestion. Think long and hard about it, and think about future pace yourself, and think about what's going to be like in 6 months when our child needs braces, right? And or our child needs tonsils out. I mean, and he or she is saying no because you believe that it's opposite of you. Like, that's the rationale. Like, they're still fighting with the relationship and not focusing on the child. If that's the kind of situation, then I think it's valid to follow your instincts and your gut.